If you run apps or services on Red Hat Enterprise Linux and face tricky issues that are hard to pin down, this is the place for real solutions. I'm Prince. I have spent over 15 years building and managing enterprise infrastructure, container orchestration, security, and automation, mostly on Red Hat Enterprise technology stack. Here, I share proven fixes to real problems from actual production environments. No fluff, no theory, just actionable steps that work. The topic for discussion is how to fix Leapp upgrade failures from RHEL 8.10 to RHEL 9.4. We will also be covering ways to resolve Linux firmware package conflicts easily. Let's explore the root causes for these failures. One root cause is that there is a file conflict. During in-place upgrades using Leapp, the Linux firmware package from RHEL 8.10 and RHEL 9.4 attempts to install the same file, which then causes a conflict. Another root cause is that there is a conflict trigger. The duplicate file ownership in the same package version across RHEL 8.10 and 9.4 or 9.6 prevents successful package installation. The workaround for this is to exclude Linux firmware during upgrade. Here are the 6 workaround steps in detail. Step 1. You will want to modify the DNF configuration to exclude Linux firmware as shown on the screen. Step 2 is to perform a Leapp upgrade. Run the Leapp upgrade command as shown on the screen, and then you will need to reboot the system after the completion of the upgrade. The third step will be to remove exclusion after the upgrade, by editing the line shown and deleting the exclude equals Linux-firmware line. Step 4 is to remove the RHEL 8.10 Linux firmware package. Step 5 will be to install the RHEL 9.4 or 9.6 Linux firmware package. Step 6 will be to finalize the upgrade. You will need to reboot the system to ensure stability. Also make sure to verify the Linux firmware version after upgrading. Here is a valuable troubleshooting checklist, which includes a step-by-step verification process in order to fix the problem. First, you will need to confirm the conflict. Ensure that the error in the var log leapp-upgrade.log matches the described file conflict. Second, you will need to validate the exclusion. Verify if the etc dnf-dnf.conference excludes Linux firmware before upgrading. Thirdly, you will do a cleanup after upgrading. This process will confirm that the old package is removed and that the RHEL 9.4 or 9.6 version is installed. Fourth, you will review the var log dnf-dnf.log for package installation errors. The final step will be to validate system stability after reinstalling the Linux firmware by rebooting the system. In summary, the Leapp upgrade from RHEL 8.10 to 9.4 or 9.6 fails due to a file conflict in the Linux firmware package. Resolve this issue by excluding the package during the upgrade. Then remove and reinstall it post-upgrade. Make sure to always validate exclusion settings, package versions and logs, to ensure a clean upgrade. Thank you for following along and watching this video. If this video helped you fix the issue, please hit the like button and share this video with your team. If you work with Enterprise Linux, consider subscribing for more real-world solutions.